question. How much, like, you know, as you were going through this presentation and kind of talking about how the future is like good and bad, like how much responsibility do we have? Like, is it okay to just use every piece of data that we find on people and just target them with it? You know what I mean? I mean, I guess that's kind of a big question.
Okay, so something called ethics, right?
Right.
That's should come. And what is happening that you can tell it either it's good or bad thing. Congress is always lags behind technology world, right? So because of recent events and exposure, right? It has wake up everybody, right? It has wake up me, it has wake up you. So now we are going to be a little bit extra careful what we should share, right? After Facebook event, I plugged off my Alexa and the Google.
Yeah,
board,
right.
Right? I'm not going to keep on 24/7, right?
My Alexa laughed at me and I unplugged it. It
Yeah.
chuckled. It was the weirdest thing in the world.
Yeah, right? So now we have to be a little bit more careful, more aware, and that it's the responsibility of technology companies to embed ethics in their business model. But will they do that?
I guess just one comment. I read the agreement of some outfit that I was considering putting some input into, and down in the middle it said, anything you enter in here, a suggestion, an idea, a joke or whatever, becomes our property that we can use for any blessed reason that we want to, anywhere around the world, in space, you name it. And I also commented, I think Google's agreements are the same thing. Anything you put on Google, whatever, is we own it, thank you, and you know, goodbye. And so I said goodbye in my particular case, but it's a little bit scary, I must say.
So it's our problem that we don't go ahead and read like a 20 pages. No, none of us does, right? It's like we are cool, go use this email, and everything you use, either it's your Google's Gmail or whatever you use, the phone, right? So why Google? See, I come from Motorola background. I used to work for Motorola, right? And Google was very keen to bring an OS. Why they wanted to give the OS in your hand? Because whatever you do on your mobile device, they can capture everything, right? You guys might have heard about this company called Moving Pass, right? You might have heard this, right? So what they do, right? They are giving, you think that in $10, I'm very happy I can watch tons of movie, but there is a cost associated with that. That is like you are giving all your private information to them. And that's where they are using that information to target you, right? All the devices, all the data, and even the contact number. So this is the problem. They are taking out your contact number, and they're not targeting you, but your friends also. That's become the problem, because they haven't given authority to target me, right? Because I'm in your contact list, but I don't use movie first. Why should you target me, right? So those are the problems are coming. So Europe has this law coming 25th May, GPRD, the privacy law.
Yeah.
Hopefully something will come in this country also, and then it will evolve, right? Because technology moves very fast. You have to just, this is like that. Very, very fast. But other ecosystem to catch up to that takes some time. So hopefully it will be much better. I think it's a very long question to you.
Yeah, right. I understand. Thank you.
Yeah.
So I think you talked about you know, the role of artificial intelligence or machine learning to how to target like customers. Are you seeing applications as well as how improve customer service? So you mentioned that customer call center example, and I was in like kind of get the tone and intonation, but I think of companies who literally have people answering the phones and then they're typing in everything they hear and it's going.
No,
like
you don't need to type.
Yeah. So I'm saying this is what
the customer service has become very important part.
Yeah.
So what they are doing is, if you have seen that people are living their frustration either on Twitter and Facebook and whatnot, other media, right? So what this company are doing, they are scanning all your what users are commenting, and their system is tie up to your ID or something like that. So it's all automated. Then you might get call of, oh, okay, you have the AT&T phone call problem. How can I help you? You guys might have heard of it. It's all because of AI. So definitely customer service is becoming better and better. And the chat, that's why most of the company, they have deployed chatbots, right? This is nothing but, I give the example how it works, right? But this is still, chatbot is still not able to replace the customer service agent because it's the learning algorithm. Machine is still learning, right? It's not a human, right? So over the time, you'll see when they have a lot of data, they will get to know you much better, so they can handle it. And whatever question chatbot cannot answer, they will route that question to human being. So definitely, customer service is a big. At the very beginning, we scrap a lot of data from AT&T. Then I work for AIG. So AIG, one use case I did is, it's like you go and want to buy some insurance, right? And during the process, some error come and this happened, that happened. So we build a recommendation system kind of thing, the way it works in Amazon or Netflix. Look, you have this problem, it means these are the possible answer. So the benefit for them is a win-win situation for everybody. For you, you are getting the instant help. For them, they are able to reduce the call center people, right? So cost is going down, right? And that way, you are much more satisfied because, okay, you know the answer, what you should do, what it should be next step. So eventually the chatbot is doing exactly the same thing. It is guiding you to make your life much easier. So if somebody asks me, in terms of AI is going to replace human or jobs? Probably not. I mean, some jobs will go, which are very repetitive, but it will be your digital assistant. Right? But it will help you to become much better. This is my opinion in terms of AI, right? Because if you look at before IT came into picture, right? IT has improved the productivity of a lot of companies, and now this is where AI also. So it's a wonderful work. And that's why even after MBA from Kellogg, I thought this is the right thing for me to do. Instead of doing the consulting work. Any other question?